You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this disease. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English medical terms, specifically, more particularly, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Typhoid fever. That's fever. In British English, of course, the American pronunciation is more as fever. Typhoid fever. Now, the word typhoid is pronounced the same way in British English, UK or US pronunciations. The typhoid fever. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.